Batas na pamura sa freestyle at rebat ni JD. Mike Swift mainit ang pangalan sa Amerika at Quest Macody nagsalita na matapos ang issue. So tara. Dahil nga maingay ang freestyle sa round 3 ni Saint Ice sa naging laban nila ni Saki at sinasabing ito ang nagpanalo sa kanya, sakto naman binigyan ni Batas ng reaction video ang labang Rapian vs JD na alam naman natin kung gaano tumatak yung rebat at freestyle ni JD sa round 2. Kilala naman natin na ito ang strength ni JD, pero bago ang laban niya kay Rapian, meron ding rebat si JD na sobrang hiniyawan ng mga battle MCs. Ito ang laban niya kay JR0 noong Ahon 12. Kung maalala nyo yung kaliwat kanan na rebat niya na ilang beses niya nagamit sa battle.
Hawak sa aking kaliwat kanang patalim sabay saksak sa iyong kaliwat kanan, saksak sa iyong kaliwat kanan, kaliwa, saksak sa iyong kaliwat kanan, tong taga-Bataan din niya na malayan na naulit na pala sa kanya ang marcha ng kamatayan. Parang Erfan, kaliwa kanan, tangina step ng Jensen. Kaliwa kanan, diyan ka mapapahamak. Ako pag nagkaliwa kanan, ganyan ako bumata.
Umaagaw talaga ng panalo ang malulupit na freestyle at rebat ni JD. Ang naging reaksyon ng 2-times champ na si Batas sa freestyle at rebat ni JD kay Rapian.
Di ko na gagamitin ng palihim to. Ay, ayoko suotin, baka magdilim yung paningin ko.
Napaka-solid nun. Masyadong agresibo si JD, pucha.
Baka mo hindi pantay, ano dating bulag ba?
Solid. Hanep ang mga rebat niya, no? Putang ina ka, JD. Yeah, tama.
Masyado kang paleche. Gumagamit sa salamin para makalamang sa lente. Yung pants mo na sip-sip, sana atakihin siya sa puso na may pakinabang yung patapik-tapik ka sa dibdib.
Magaling ka, JD.
Wala kaming Amazon na yung cable pero Amazon na asawa ko.
Ang galing na rebat ang puta.
Pag ako dumating, may sakit yari ko, biglang gumaling! Sobrang bobo mong tanga ka! Galit na galit ka sa Lakers! Dapat isama mo sa hukay! Sobrang demonyo, pati si Lebron nilagyan niya ng sungay! Dapat sa'yo, maglagay na ng lubid! Kinabantang ina, napainom na ng tubig!
Lakas ng freestyle ni JD sa battle na to, putang ina. Round 2 ni JD yung nandilim yung paningin ko rebat. Sobrang solid. Galing, no? Tapos yung bulag ba rebat. Reaction video ni Cripply. Galing parang hindi ko alam kung written ba yon o freestyle yon. Parang written na siya Tapos binalik niya sa freestyle. Patapik-tapik pa sa dibdib na rebat, 'di ba? Ang galing. Amazona asawa ko, tarantadong rebat no? Ang kulit ng pagkakasabi pa niya. Hindi ko naaalala na ganito ka solid ng freestyle ni JD. Pero kung dati pa siyang ganyan, tangina, saludo pare, napaka-solid.
Sa kabilang balita naman, dahil nga sa hindi maganda ang kinalabasan ng labang Mike Swift vs Quest Macody dahil sa binanggit ni Mike Swift na N-word na minsan pabirong babanggitin sana ni EJ Power sa naging laban niya kay Kalis Move. Makikita na kinabahan ang kalaban niya. Pero alam ni EJ Power sa sarili niya na bawal talagang banggitin ang N-word dahil alam niya ang mangyayari.
The fucker always asking for a little respect like Aretha. Claims to be an activist but act like a bitch-ass diva. Oh, self-proclaimed alpha male but almost beat up by Prestivia. I'm just saying smooth between you and me. I'm the real nice guy.
Going back, pinag-uusapan na nga daw umano si Mike Swift sa Amerika at marami na din daw naghahamon sa kanya. Ayon ito mismo kay Mike Swift matapos ang laban niya kay Quest Macody. Matapos nga ang laban ni Quest Makodi kay Mike Swift, na-interview siya at tinanong ang nangyaring piko na nila ni Mike Swift.
You know what I'm saying? First off, how do you feel about the event overall today? How do you feel about the event?
Overall event was dope. Everybody came out here, they had fun, man. The crowd enjoyed themselves. The setup was good, the visuals were dope. The atmosphere was cool, everybody was cool.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Okay.
You know, up until. You know?
Right. So, you know, rolling into that, how do you feel about your battle? Or how do you feel about what
I
happened?
mean, I think the battle was cool, man. I think Mike has a problem with wanting to create shock value in spaces where he lacks skill. I think that, like, when he was disrespectful in regards to my friends. All right, so, yeah, I think Mike tries to do this shock value stuff to kind of get attention in a space where he lacking skill. If he would work more on his skill and not worry about shock, like he was very disrespectful. Justice for Charlie, he was very disrespectful,
Right.
in terms of Real Deal's father.
Right.
And Deal took that shit like a champ and like a professional.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it's like, yo, you're saying these things, but you don't even have no skill in these things you're saying. So I don't know how shit work in New York because I'm not in New York. If I was in New York, maybe I would. But I'm in Detroit. I'm in River Rouge. Yo, look. You don't call. I said it in the very first round. I ain't telling him what he can't say. I'm just telling y'all what I ain't gonna stand here for.
Right.
He wasn't using that word throughout the whole fucking battle.
Right.
So he brought it in at the end of that shit as shock value. Oh, I'm saying nigga to this black man. And at no way, shape, or form would you feel that it's okay for you to stand in a black city and tell this black man and say that at all. Because here go the thing. If I go over to the Philippines and I call you something that's racially, that's something maybe you and your friends say to each other,
Right.
I understand that I shouldn't say it. And I'm in my space and I didn't say it.
Right.
So it's just like, yo, again, I'm not trying to police his words, but I'm not gonna stand here for it.
Right.
So like you could rap to yourself. I don't know if you finished his raps, but like we just not gonna play that. I never tear up nobody's space. I never disrespect the people that, you know, invested in this. And he trying to like, oh, you're drunk. Well, the cup was a part of the stick
Right.
that I didn't care.
Right.
You feel me?
Right.
So like
part of the visual.
yeah. But you know, he should do research on the places he go. I know he's not from here.
So okay ba mga quiz? Ano masasabi nyo sa nangyaring laban ni Mike Swift kay Quest Makodi? Okay lang ba na nabanggit yung Mike Swift ang N-word kahit alam niyang hindi dapat? O okay lang dahil battle naman yun? Kung ano man sa loobin mo, comment pa lang sa baba na mapag-usapan natin yan. So yun lang. God bless.